Dun 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 dun. Ladies and gentlemen, would you please put it? Yeah.
Oh, they need to put your hands down. That's pity. Alrighty. Here you guys go. Let's exit over here to the right-hand side. Thank you. Oh. Thank you for looking for traffic first. Don't cross between there.
I'm gonna piss you. Wow, hello. Yeah.
Oh, these?
Yes, please, thank you.
Hey, you need a bag?
Oh yeah, I need a bag.
There's stuff in here you're going to want to collect. Good.
Is this stickers?
Yeah. These are temporary tattoos.
Okay. Thank you.
Here's your card. Yeah. You can connect with a person who will tell you if you search that. Oh, nice. No, that's not fancy. That's Boeing, whoever else is here, like, that's the thing that works like this.
The mission is dragonflies.
Wow.
She was going to sit and then she's still.
Try it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have some instructions here. You can follow those along. But you can also kind of just get the hang of it. I'll show you real quickly. So this one will take you left and right and up and down.
I didn't realize
This one is just up and down in both ways. And then these are going to bring that claw around kind of like this. And then you have your bumpers that will do
I
that
had
full
no
last
idea. I
rotation.
thought it was 9 to 3 on
And
Sunday.
last but not least, you can close the gripper and then open the gripper.
Wow. It's an amazing guy. Hello.
How's it going, man?
Good.
What's going on? We got these cool activity sheets, mazes and stuff like that. And we got now some stickers there.
Yeah,
You're welcome to take whatever you like.
Take a couple if you
We're getting ready to land people back on the moon. 2028 to land on the moon. Next year we got to do an Earth orbit test of the landers first.
May I grab another one?
Yeah, absolutely. Grab as many as you like.
Thank you.
Sure.
When will be the next moon landing?
Next moon landing is 2028.
What day?
We don't know yet.
Oh,
It's
okay.
still a long ways off. We have another mission to fly before that called Artemis 3. We're going to fly that next year. Test out a lot of stuff that we need to. And then in 2028 we'll go land. So we'll start having an idea later, probably late next year we'll have a better idea.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for coming by.
Wow.
These are all this, like some of the stuff we're doing for Moon Base coming up. It's going to be our permanent presence there. And this is more of a EVA things we have. You can try on a glove if you want to.
Yeah,
100%. They're actually pretty small, so I don't know if you'll be able to get your hand in there or not. They were fitted to a crew member, and whoever that crew member. Can you get in there?
Fits right in there.
Like, I think if I had my other hand, it definitely would, yeah.
So that's an actual glove. So we use these on space station right now. The ones for the moon will be a little bit different, but pretty much the same.
They got like the metal on them so they can spin.
Yeah, we've taken the metal bearing off right there. You can see on the orange
Get
tube
the
down
quick.
there, it still has it on it, right? The wrist, yeah. A lot of people don't realize we have to be careful of those bearings because that's a metal that's contacting the skin. If you get a charge on that, you can shock the crew member. So that's why we have these long cuffs. Because the space station is electrified by the walls of physics. You're running.
Wow.
These are 3D printed Apollo rock samples.
How we get what we let get to the crew member type of thing. Yeah.
Wow.
There's one of those that's sticker sheet.
Yeah.
It's your tax dollars to work, so yeah.
Double my tax dollars.
Good for you, yeah. I mean, I don't know what politicians shouldn't have the space program on their platform. Yeah, everybody wants it, yeah.
Wow.
When you can see what we're spending it on, at least. Some agencies, it's hard to see what they spend it on. So we have actual products.
Are these actual rocks?
No, they're lava rocks from Earth. They're just painted to look like moon rocks.
Okay.
But the moon rocks are actually, some of them are lava, they're volcanic. So they do look very similar to moon rocks.
Okay.
All right, we protect our moon rocks one. They're back in Johnson Space Center. You have to check them out.
So yeah, that definitely like the beginning. So we could be further in our team.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Can't get all that. That's a big one.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna get it. No.
Like the basic premise of air traffic control is that we just don't want flights to collide with each other, right? They have the ATC here, whose main job is to prevent these collisions from happening, so they have to monitor their airspace. The purple in their region is like their airspace that they're monitoring, making sure that everybody's safe. There's potential collision, this is like, helps ATC be like, here's a possible maneuver you can
Wow. X-59.
Take the whole mess. Don't be shy.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Our sonic noise. People are NASA like in Hampton, Virginia. That's where I'm at. Our jet noise acoustics people are in Cleveland and NASA.
Two F-15s.
You're welcome.
X-59. Wow.
While life is worth living.
They got her excited. We're going every other week.